today's video, we will discuss some dark side of software engineer. Please stay tuned with us and subscribe our channel for more videos. At number 1, we will talk about stress and burnout are real in software engineer life. Deadlines, debugging, and problem solving can be mentally exhausting for a software engineer. Pressure to meet expectation can lead to be sometimes serious to burnout, anxiety, and imposter syndromes. And other dark side of software engineer is AI is coming for your job. AI and automated advancing rapidly in 2025, some programming tasks are becoming automated. AI power tools can generate code, debugs error, and even develop applications. So, a software engineer may lose his job in future. Another dark side of a software engineer, which is competition and job struggles. Many people assume a software engineer degree guarantee a high-paying job, but the reality is different. Entry-level positions often require multiple years of experience and competition. So this is all from today's video. Please stay tuned with us for more informative videos.